Rectangle food storage containers that unlock the potential for anywhere adventure and on-the-go dining. Smart Snap technology provides leak-proof and easy-to-use storage. Ultra-light, space-saving design made from BPA-free plastic and with divided compartments. 8 rectangle plastic containers and 8 lids in each pack. Safe to use in microwaves, use as directed, dishwashers, fridges and freezers. Unloc dining, on the go, with reusable BPA-free plastic meal prep containers. Leakproof seal and snap bead lock in freshness so you can enjoy comfort and convenience wherever you go. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. I found these little containers to come in handy for putting away letter dips, sides and bite-sized pastries. Although a bit of a squeeze, they can fit inside my small mini fridge. I recommend them especially for those who need meal prep solutions and for using small coolers like mine. They store easily and they are stackable when in use.